Hi, my name's Charlie Biola and I'm the lead educator at Curlsmith. Today's video is all about how to add volume to fine, wavy hair. I washed and conditioned Izzy's hair and then followed with a leave-in conditioner. I'm now going to use the Root Boost Uplifting Spray for instant volume. I'm going to shake the bottle before use and apply generously. Once you've finished with your application, massage through the root area for even distribution. This is great for fine wavy hair because it's super lightweight and it's not sticky or greasy at the roots. Next, I'm going to use the Full Body Volumizing Lotion. This will create instant volume and airy definition. I'm also going to layer the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam, which is enriched with proteins and will add extra volume and texture. Before applying the products, I'm going to section the hair into 3, and then I'm going to use the raking method for even distribution. My first section is going to go from recession to recession. I'm going to use the detangling brush to just make sure that the hair's nice and smooth before I apply the product. And I'm going to brush the hair out from the head to lift the strands from the scalp because this encourages volume. Just rub the product into your hands before applying it throughout the strands, and then use the raking method to work it through. Again, pulling it out from the scalp to create volume. Then you're going to work the foam through. If you tilt your head back. Then use the scrunching method to encourage that definition. Again, just smooth the hair through before applying the product. Now I'm going to do subsections. I'm going to do side panels and then the back panel. Again, concentrating on brushing that out from the scalp. And you work your product through its lengths and ends and then work it towards the root area using that raking method. If you want to smooth those sections through, you can use the praying hands method to do so. Again, use that scrunching method to encourage the formation. When you hear that squelching, it's a good thing. Because the products are super lightweight, it won't weigh the hair down. Now moving on to this top section, I'm going to do subsections going horizontally So I can brush the hair upwards and away from the scalp. If you don't section the hair, you won't be able to work the product through evenly, and you'll end up with inconsistent results. There's no way that you can work the product through evenly if you're not sectioning the hair. Make sure when you are doing the scrunching method, you're doing it all the way up, especially on this top section. So I'm just going to style this last section back. I'm not going to put defined parting in there, because this will help to create more volume. So I'm going to diffuse dry instead of air drying because this will create more volume. But before I start diffusing, I'm going to use microfiber towel to scrunch out some of that excess moisture to speed up the drying time. So now we're going to diffuse until the hair's 100% dry. It's important to dry the hair 100% because otherwise you'll create frizz. So here we have the final results of creating volume on fine wavy hair. I'm going to use the Flawless Finish Hairspray to tame any flyaways and to give lasting definition and hold. So these are the finished results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.